Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to download Envato elements for free. This is a fantastic way to access high-quality design assets without spending a dime, perfect for anyone working on creative projects on a budget. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and in the search bar type Envato elements for free. Hit enter and you'll see a list of search results pop up. From these results, look for the one that says Envato's free files and click on it. This will take you directly to Envato's dedicated page where they offer free monthly resources to users. Once you land on the page, you'll be prompted to log in. Go ahead and enter your credentials to access your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one first, but the process is quick and straightforward. Logging in ensures you can download the files and keeps track of what you've accessed. After logging in, you'll be taken to a page showcasing the monthly free files available. Envato updates these regularly, so there's always something fresh to explore. Browse through the collection and take your time to find a template that suits your needs. Whether it's a graphic design template, a video project, or something else entirely, there's usually a good variety to choose from. Once you've found a template you like, click on it to view more details. This will open up a dedicated page for that specific file where you can see previews and learn more about what's included. On the right side of the screen, you'll notice a panel with download options. Look for the button that says download for free and click on it. Before the download starts, you'll need to agree to Envato's terms. You'll see a checkbox that says, I agree to the free files single-use policy. Make sure to check this box as it's required to proceed. This policy simply outlines how you can use the free files, so it's worth a quick read if you're unsure. After checking the box, click the download button. The file will begin downloading, and this usually takes just a few seconds depending on the size of the template and your internet speed. Be patient while the download completes. Once the download finishes, navigate to the upper right corner of your browser where you'll find the download section. Click on it to view your recent downloads, then click open next to the file you just downloaded. This will take you directly to the folder where the file is stored on your computer. You'll notice the file is in a zip format. To access the contents, you'll need to extract it using WinRAR 7-zip or your system's built-in unzip tool. Right-click on the zip file, select Extract Here or Extract To, and the files will be unpacked and ready to use. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded a free template from Envato Elements and extracted it for use in your projects. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.